How to change Instagram notification sound. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I'll show you how you can change Instagram notification sound. So guys, if you are willing to change your Instagram notification sound, then how you can change it. Okay, so if you want to know, then you have to watch this video till the end. And if you are new to my YouTube channel, please consider subscription and hit the bell icon. So without wasting any more time, let's start the video. So guys, firstly you have to go to the setting. Okay, if you want to change your Instagram notification sound, go to your phone setting, and after that scroll down and search for application. When you find the application option, as you can see on my screen, you have to enter it and click on manage application. Okay, now go to manage application. So guys, if you don't find manage apps, then you may find application manager or install app. Okay, so basically you have to come here and search for Instagram. So when you find it, open it, and after that you have to scroll up and go to notification option, as you can see here. Okay, go to notification option. And now guys, if you want to change notification sound of your direct message, okay, so if you want to change your Instagram direct message notification sound, you can choose sound from clicking here. Okay, click on Instagram direct, and then you can choose, you can change your notification sound by clicking on sound option. So after that you will find many of the ringtones that you want to choose. You can choose from here. Okay, so you can choose from here. So after that your setting is done and ringtone is also changed from here. So guys, if you want to change Instagram direct request tone, then you can change from the same process, or you can change video chat notification sound from the same process. Okay, or if you want to change default notification sound from for live option or any of the default notification sound of your Instagram, then you have to go to the others. Okay, go to the others option and then click on the sound option. Okay, after clicking on sound option you have to do the same process, and you will be able to change the sound from here. Okay, so if you want to change your sound, then you have to choose any of the sound from here, and after that your setting will be done. So guys, this is the process to change the notification sound of your Instagram. I hope you guys like the video. Thanks for watching.